change my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am. Give me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. Be free. Nami kinakanta nga dyan. Isn't natural for me. I won't.
It feels like I've been rescued. I've been set free. I am hypnotized.
I will live aside.
Hanap na ko.